Hello, my name is Savannah Taito, and I am the CEO of Hydrogen Discovery Solutions, the engine of catalyst innovation. Hydrogen has been advertised as this promising zero emission, clean, green fuel for decades. And yet 95% of the global hydrogen is produced through a process called steam methane reforming, which generates 8 kilograms of CO2 per kilogram of hydrogen. So why is it that less than 1% of the global hydrogen produced is considered green? Well, that's because it costs 2 to 3 times more to produce than steam methane reforming. Therefore, hydrogen evolution catalysts need to be cheaper and more efficient to facilitate the growth of green hydrogen production. These catalysts are currently tested manually, one at a time, through a process called gas chromatography, in which a portion of a sample's headspace is injected into the instrument. At Hydrogen Discovery Solutions, we make catalyst screening more efficient using our high throughput automated screening platform, where we can measure the hydrogen for 100 samples simultaneously using colorimetric detection and computer vision. So on the left here, we have 96 unique catalysts, and in the middle, you can see that these samples have been sealed with this colorimetric hydrogen detection film. And this is actually a compilation of images showing the color change as the reaction progresses. These images are fed through an image analysis software that can correlate the change in darkness to a quantitative amount of hydrogen. A couple of weeks ago, we launched a pilot with Professor Maluk at the University of Pennsylvania, who is one of the leading experts in designing hydrogen evolution catalysts. And so far, we've learned that we can use 200% less material per experiment, and that the cost of experiment can be reduced by orders of magnitude, from the orders of dollars to the orders of cents. And we're very excited to learn more. Our work has been published in peer-reviewed journals, and IP for the technology has been secured. We believe it's the right time to pursue a venture like this because the lab automation market is booming. It is currently valued at $9 billion and is projected to more than double in the next 9 years. We believe our first customers are going to be large lab automation vendors. And we believe that we can get our revenue through OEM licensing fees, a revenue share on the consumables, so this would be selling the films, and then a software subscription for the image analysis software. And if we can secure just one of these large lab automation vendors, and we can sell 50 of the reactors, we believe that we can make over $1 million in annual recurring revenue. We're the right team for this because I'm a fifth-year PhD student who's dedicated their thesis to this work, and my PI, Dr. Bernhard, has over 20 years of experience in the field. What we're after through this pitch competition is funding, but we're also looking for partnerships, mentorship, and potential customer introductions. This has been Hydrogen Discovery Solutions, and we thank you so much for your consideration.